Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Type chkdsk /f/r c:, and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type c:, and hit enter. Now we need to type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space c:/ and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and hit enter. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type attrib space c:/ boot bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Type in ren c:/ \boot \bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.